Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So during Stellantis Q3 2025 shipments and revenue investment call this morning, CEO Antonio Filosa officially confirmed what we were talking about earlier this month, that Ram is getting a full-size SUV, and it's going to be built right here in the US at the Warren Truck Assembly Plant in Michigan. Yep, the same plant that currently builds the Grand Wagoneer. So this is big news because this marks the first time that Ram is getting into the SUV game as a standalone brand, with Stellantis announcing a $13 billion investment in its American manufacturing footprint. This project has to be one of the biggest highlights of the plan. So the company is putting nearly $100 million into retooling Warren Truck and is expected to create over 900 new jobs in the process.
I've spoken already about the strong product actions at Ram in 2025, which have helped us drive year-to-date retail sales 26% higher than last year. Now with the US investment, we are opening up additional growth. First, we are putting in place a much more comprehensive product range. We have now set the plan to return Ram by 2028 to both the mid-size truck and large SUV segment. Second, we are leading on innovation. With this new large SUV, the Ram lineup will include two models alongside the Ram 1500 REEV, both set to feature our unique and very innovative range standard powertrain.
It will be offered with both traditional gas engines and a range-extending electric vehicle version. The same advanced setup used in the Ram 1500 Ramcharger, which is now the REV, and the upcoming Grand Wagoneer REEV, or REEV. Now, I actually had a chance recently to visit the Chrysler Tech Center in Auburn Hills, Michigan, where I got an up-close, hands-on look at the new Grand Wagoneer REEV setup, and I have to say I'm honestly really impressed. The way Stellantis engineered the system is just next level. The best part is you don't even have to plug it in if you don't want to. You can run it purely on gas, and the system will still deliver all the performance and benefits of an all-electric powertrain. So that means instant torque, smooth power delivery, and incredible efficiency without ever having to worry about plugging it in. Now, the REEV system pairs a liquid-cooled 92 kilowatt-hour battery pack with a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 that serves as a generator only, so it never drives the wheels, but instead the electricity it produces feeds the front and rear electric drive modules, or EDMs, that actually power the SUV. Now, in the Ram 1500 REV, the setup delivers 647 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque. Now, that's good for a 0 to 60 time of about 4.5 seconds, and that's seriously quick for a full-size truck. And beyond the power, it's got muscle to match, with a 2,625 pound maximum payload capacity and an incredible 14,000 pounds of towing capability when properly equipped. It also supports 400-volt DC fast charging, which adds about 50 miles of range in about 10 minutes if you choose to plug it in. Meanwhile, the Grand Wagoneer REEV version makes 647 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque, and that's good for a 0 to 60 time of 5 seconds flat. Because of the third-row packaging, it uses a smaller 20-gallon fuel tank, giving it a targeted range of 500 miles compared to 690 in the Ram 1500 REV. Expect the upcoming Ram SUV to fall right in line with those numbers when it launches. Now, Filosa did not confirm what it's going to be called yet, but the Ramcharger nameplate seems to be a natural fit. Since Ram retired the all-electric Ram 1500 REV earlier this year and shifted the REV name to the Ramcharger REEV, this leaves Ramcharger open for the SUV, a name with tons of heritage that would make perfect sense for a big, family-focused, high-tech SUV. Now, this move gives Ram a direct competitor to the Chevy Tahoe, GMC Yukon, and Ford Expedition, while using the proven Wagoneer architecture and Ram's own electrified technology. Plus, it reinforces Stellantis' commitment to building vehicles right here in America, creating jobs and growing production capacity at home. Production of the first full-size SUV is expected to kick off around 2028, marking one of the biggest new vehicle launches in the brand's history. So leave your comments below and tell me what you think of Ram getting a full-size SUV in 2028. Leave your comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.